So I think the role a youth worker can play, particularly in this line of work where we work with young people at risk of CSE or with sexual health issues or relationship issues, is really important. We provide that sort of non-judgmental, voluntary provision for young people to access. We work closely with Children's Services and their Think Safe team, which is their dedicated sexual exploitation team. We also work with organisations such as the NSPCC or the Department of Sexual Health. Through multi-agency meetings and strategic meetings, we can best meet the needs of the young people that we support. One of the biggest successes we've had from the CSE work that we've done is of a young person that was being exploited by someone that she considered to be her boyfriend. We worked with other organisations such as police and Children's Services to make her understand that the situation she is in isn't necessarily the healthiest. And we were really the only service that she was willing to engage with. But following on, we know now that from other work that we've done with her that she is in a much better place. She's in a much healthier relationship. She's in employment now. She's at college. She's sort of pursuing things that maybe if she's continued in that relationship, she wouldn't have the opportunity to have done. To see them come out the other side and have much more positive outlook on things is so satisfying.